Alright guys, we're going to lunch. Let's go to lunch. So, I don't know if y'all saw that, but you probably didn't. But like I said, there's a real estate class right here. And the teacher was not too happy about the sound of my bike. So what we're not going to do is start the bike right here. I'm just trying to go off the curb right here. And if you're wondering what we're getting for lunch, I think we're going to leave it for a surprise. We're going to try to, at least. It's 8 minutes from where we're at. But, I wasn't even going to record anything. I was simply just going to go to lunch. You feel me? But, oh, wow. I don't have any gloves. Fuck it. That's some freaky shit. I ain't never go no gloves. But, I really could just go off right here, but I want to make sure. You feel? I just want to make sure I do good. You know what I mean? I'm already no glove in it. What else is in my pocket? Nothing. My phone, wallet, keys. I had to take my book bag, obviously, because you don't want to get all the way there and have to eat in the establishment. Ooh, grass. Ooh, it's not even grass. My bike deadass could slip under these conditions. But as soon as we, we'll go the long way. Ooh, that feel nice. I ain't a lot. No gloves. That's so weird. But you get all of the feelings. And you obviously just hope and pray that, you feel me, this ain't the day I gotta brace my shit for impact. I mean, this is obviously a lot better, so I don't gotta fucking sit here and do nothing. We don't wait for red lights around here. But yeah, man, got my book bag on. But like I said, that's just so we can transport our lunch back. Oh, that's a pretty butterfly. I've been seeing that same kind of butterfly all week. But I mean, this is what I work for, man. I want to be able to go to lunch when I can go to lunch, no matter how far my lunch is, and take as long as a lunch break as possible too. I just feel like that one obnoxious guy that rides a motorcycle to work and just rips around a fucking business park area. Like, you see all these buildings? I was just like, bro, I know somebody's in the office like, oh, I wish that was me, or I can't wait to get on my 350. I really can't feel the throttle that much. This shit is weird, bro. Like, I know I'm gonna piss somebody off, but it's just the ways of the road, bro. It's just the ways of the road, bro. The law of the land. Don't make no dumbass turn, please. Muchas gracias. Cobb County to fucking get me, because I swear to God that'd be terrible. My bike geek. And we're coming up on lunch, guys. Coming up on lunch. Creep. And so I creep. Yeah, just creeping on the down low. I ain't gonna make that shit because I get the geeking. See, look at that, Cobb County, all the way up there trying to get somebody on their lunch break. Man, that would piss me off. 9 times out of 10, I really should eat where I'm at, but nah, I want to go back in the office. Watch some more of that BS. That ass watching that BS high school documentary about the Bishop Sycamore shit. That's just so funny, bro, because it's like, they really just niggas though. And like, niggas don't give a fuck if niggas get nigga shit. Like, man, you try to tell a black person they can make it out the hood if they already got trials after trials after trials after trials, tribulations. They can't make it into the fucking college they want to. They got bad grades. Your mother got a fucking shitty boyfriend. You gotta support the household. You gotta take care of your sisters and all of that. And then, mind you, these niggas be 17, 18, 19. Really no shot getting into college. You get an email, somebody say, yeah, I can get you into the school you want to get to. Man, yeah. So it's like, you can't even sit here and say, yes, we're at Wendy's about to get a big bag. Can't even sit here and say that, oh, these niggas are victims and like, no, they're grown ass men actually sometimes. And yeah, they're kids who just trying to make it out. I wouldn't say they got preyed on. Half of them was probably okay with what was going on, but probably just rolled the wrong dice. When I feel like every day you make a decision, you got to live with those consequences, whether you're a kid or an adult. And yeah, obviously you can blame those around you for not guiding you in the right area, but I don't know. One of the guys was just like, I've been that guy before. Like, he understood where the scammer went wrong and shit. Well, safe to say, everybody learned their lesson about that, but I still ain't finished it, so I gotta watch it. I don't know what buddy walking in here after me for. It's Fortune.
How are you?
How you doing today? Can I get a I'm gonna bacon double stack biggie bag. What do you have in like a bottle? Oh.
Here. Yep.
Oh, thank you. I don't need a receipt. I appreciate you.
Order 34, okay?
Thank you. Gotta go back to the office. Watch that. This is a oddly nice Wendy's. Like, imagine a little fireplace lit. You sitting there eating some Wendy's, man. They got the freaky machine, of course. Ice. Relatively clean, but you know, you look at all these places and you're just like, is it really clean? Feel me? It don't look a mess, but I will wipe that. You got little cup marks and shit, crumbs. I strive for perfection when you're just selling burgers and fries. So, happy to see my bike out there in the sun. I haven't seen it in the sun in a while. It's been wrapped up. It's been raining outside. It's crazy. So, thank y'all for stopping in and, you know, enjoying this nice little day of going to work. And then now I'm going to lunch. I don't know if I'm gonna give y'all a going home video. Probably not worth it, but we'll see. But if you know, you know. Now you know I like fucking biggie bags. And now you know where I like to go for lunch. And now you know my work environment and how I like to rip and run up and down these business streets. It's your boy Ron Loudly, and I'm gonna tap in with y'all maybe later when I'm going home. All right? Look at that 100 score. Meeting in the right place. Bye.